Hi there and welcome. Today we're showcasing the Leborgne 450,040 Duopro Rake, a versatile gardening tool designed for efficiency. This green hand rake features sturdy construction that makes it perfect for loosening soil and removing debris. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use during long gardening sessions without causing strain. The durable materials guarantee long-lasting performance, even with regular outdoor use. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a gardening enthusiast, this tool helps you achieve neat and healthy garden beds. With the Leborgne Duopro Rake, maintaining your garden becomes easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.